record now.
I have had an idea rolling around in my head for a couple of weeks now, so I decided it's Christmas, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna call these peanut butter snowballs. That's what I'm gonna call them. And here I have, with the help of my daughter, who I woke up and threw a bag of Nutter Butters at, a whole family size pack of crushed up Nutter Butters. Gonna add 1 package of cream cheese to that. Why are you weird? You're so weird. Oh my gosh. So then we're gonna squish it until we get the cream cheese all incorporated. And I'm gonna start working on that. And you don't really want to hear that noise and all that, so I'll be back once it's all mixed in. Okay, I got my cream cheese incorporated, and now, because what is peanut butter without chocolate, I'm adding a cup of mini chocolate chips. We're going to incorporate those real quick, and then we're going to make this into nice little balls. Let me get the air out of there. It's kind of a peanut butter version of, we'll just call them peanut butter snowballs. How's that? You could obviously just coat them in milk chocolate or almond bark, but what I'm going to do is cover them in white chocolate. Almost done getting them incorporated. And then let them sit, and then I'm going to do a little drizzle of chocolate almond bark on top of that. Oh my goodness. I think I could eat that without even covering it in chocolate.
I definitely could.
Okay. Well, I know you could. Okay. So that was the easy part. Here's what I'm doing. Instead of dumping it all into a bowl, I'm just making my own little bowl out of the plastic bag so that I don't dirty up a dish, because today is baking day and I do a lot of baking on Christmas Eve. So just gonna roll this into a little ball, drop my little ball into my white chocolate, coat it, set it over here to cool. I have no idea how many this will make. It just depends on how big you make your little balls. Mine are, I don't know, about 3 finger size, 2.5 fingers.
Small fingers.
Yes, I do have small fingers. Compared to everybody else in my family, I have small fingers. Matt, do you want to be a guinea pig? You have a cat on. Oh no, Matthew has cat paralysis. Whatever shall we do? Which cat?
Monkey.
Hey, that's my cat.
I didn't put him on me.
Sure you didn't.
Monkey just loves everybody. Okay, so I've done 3 of these just so you can see.
Look, you should look at truffle.
But I'll look at truffle in a minute. Right now I am making a treat for Christmas Day. And then I'm going to take just a little bit of chocolate almond bark. I thought about melting a Hershey bar and putting that over it.
That would have been so yummy.
But I'm just doing a little bit of almond bark because I realized we had a ton of almond bark. So that means that there's a lot of candy that needs to be made, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah. You don't have to put the chocolate almond bark on it. You can certainly leave it without it. I'm gonna let these set. It's gonna take a couple minutes for that to set. So once it's set, we'll come back, we'll try it, and you can see what we think, because this is brand new to all of us. All right, I have a guinea pig, but Taylor doesn't want to be seen on camera, so you gotta tell me your thoughts.
She went for the whole
she went
thing.
for the whole thing.
That's not what you do. That's good.
Mm. Oh my. Oh, that is so rich. Taylor?
Like I said, disgusting.
Y'all, that is really, really good. Another one of those straight out of my brain. And look at the inside of it. peanut butter, chocolate, white chocolate. Ooh,
Cream
lost a
cheese.
piece of chocolate. Oh yeah, there's definitely
Lost a
cream
piece of chocolate. I'll take that.
cheese. Yeah. Help yourself. You guys can't have any until tomorrow, by the way. This was just a trial run, taste test.
Hey, that was sweet.
Yeah. Taylor, what's your conclusion?
Mm-hmm.
She's astounded and amazed. All she can say is, mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
All right. You guys, try this recipe. I hope you like it. Let me know. And y'all take care.